Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aries, hi, welcome to Miss the Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And also, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so ipopromote ko lang tong Aries na bracelet. So this is in alignment sa energy ng mga Aries. Meron tong red jasper, tiger's eye at citrine. So available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Aries. What's your energy second half ng October? The Three of Wands. May expansion. Expansion or growth ng iyong career, ng iyong business. Some of you are also expecting mga bisita. Oo, pwedeng merong dadalaw sa'yo or pwede rin ikaw yung magta-travel. Let's see. Ano naman yung challenge ng mga Aries? Five of Cups. Merong mga disappointments for some of you, Aries. Kaya lang yung iba pwedeng mas magfo-focus kayo doon sa problema or doon sa disappointment na yon. Pero meron naman kayong pagkakataon sana na mag-move on at mag-focus sa mas productive na bagay. So yung iba parang nahihirapan kayong tanggapin yung mga bagay na nawala na sa inyo or opportunities na akala nyo nawala sa inyo pero actually hindi lang talaga yun meant for you. Merong ibang para sa'yo na hindi mo napapansin. Oo, so kailangan maging aware ka dyan. Ano yung opportunities for Aries? O, diba? Meron talagang opportunity for you. There's an opportunity to learn something new, okay? Meron kayong oportunidad na may matutunan, may pag-aralan. This can be related sa yung career, sa trabaho, sa finances ninyo. You are, kumbaga positibo yung pananaw mo naman dito, no? As long as open ka sa mga bago mong matututunan. Yung iba may training, may opportunity to train. Pwedeng may research din dito. Merong can be someone din na pwedeng tutulong sa'yo, no? Na madagdagan yung kaalaman mo. Let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Aries? Oh, diba? The Chariot. Ganda naman ito as a blessing. This is movement, no? Oo. Kumbaga, I think ma-realize mo na kung ano yung dapat mo nang i-let go at makapag-focus ka na kung saan direction ka na papunta. The Chariot is also about triumph, success, moving forward, focusing on your goals, keeping your eye on the prize. Keep your eye on the prize. Okay, let's see ano pa. What is the Three of Wands? Clarify natin. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. The wheel is turning in your favor. This is also karma. So, yung iba, yung may mga hinihintay na anything na hinihintay ninyo na nade-delay, ito ay parating na. Lalo na kung ito ay pera or opportunity. What is the Five of Cups? Oo, ayun na nga, merong losses talaga. May nag-end. This can be end of a career, a business, or a relationship na pwedeng nag-hold on ka pa doon, but it's time for you to move on, move forward. Kumbaga, challenging sa'yo yung transition, yung pagbabago na yan. What is the Page of Pentacles? The Seven of Wands. You are staying or standing your ground. Kumbaga, you are protecting your dreams, no? Oo. Hindi mo hayaan na merong sumira ulit nung mga plano mo. Kasi I feel like merong nag-disappoint sa inyo no? Oo. Pwedeng malapit to na tao sa buhay nyo, na-disappoint kayo sa ginawa niya. And ngayon, you are protecting what's left for you, kung ano yung natira sa'yo. What is the Chariot? Okay, lumabas pa rin siya. Uy, the Emperor and the Queen of Cups. Ito yung pagkakaroon ng structure, stability sa iyong buhay. So, as a blessing, whatever this is na pupuntahan mo, bagong direction na tinatahak mo, you are well protected. You are also stable, no? Oo, may stability rito, may structure. And if this is a business, I see a lot of pwedeng may achievements or meron kang mga milestones na ma-achieve dyan sa negosyo na yan or sa career na yan. As long as you are willing to take care of this, kailangan buong puso mo siyang inaalagaan. Let's see ano pa for Aries. Strength, dignified. O ayun, meron na namang trono. So, some of you meron kayong leadership role na i-assume. Oo, pwede rin tong pag-angat, no, growth sa inyong career. Yes, you are going to shine. That's Leo energy. O, 'di ba, may expansion talaga. Some of you travel opportunities ito. Yes. So, kuha tayo ng for career. Money, career, finances message for Aries. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. O, ayan. So, meron talaga kayong i-explore. Di ba nabanggit ko kanina na kayo ay maaring may opportunity sa inyo na mag-aral, may tuklasin. So, ito na yon. Ito na yung tutuklasin nyo, i-explore ninyo. You may have no other choice in your career at the moment, but it isn't a reason to stay and feel mediocre. Be open to changes. Oh. Yung iba kasi maaring hindi kayo kontento sa situation nyo, sa career, sa business, sa trabaho ninyo, sa finances ninyo. So, may mag-open na pagbabago. Kailangan lang kayo mismo yung mag-take ng step na yan para makuha nyo or masimulan nyo na yung bagong beginning. Oo, bagong landas na tatahakin ninyo. So, sa love naman, o, diba? May nag-end talaga. Siguro ito yung challenge ng iba sa inyo. May natapos na relationship, connection. This is the end of it all. So, have fun and get comfortable with your partner. So, pwede ring, hindi porket may natapos, wala ka ng, chance na makakilala pa ng new connections, relationships. Pwede rin naman tong be more playful in, like by yourself, na pwede kang maging masaya on your own, na hindi mo kailangang mag-rely sa ibang tao. And enjoy, enjoy your life kahit na may natapos na relationship. Mahirap, pero ganun talaga eh. You really need to do it for yourself, para sa sarili mo. So your final message is great awakening. Walk in your truth, stand firm in your light. How can you trust yourself more? Yes. So ito yung pagtitiwala mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong malagpasan yung mga challenges, and this is also about exploration, no? Bagong yugto sa buhay mo na nag-open up, and you have to trust yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.